Listen up. Have you ever been in one of these situations? You want to create an interactive report that can be used to summarize large amounts of data? Maybe you want to see trends and patterns at a glance. Are you buried by the mountains of data that surround you? What about your bosses? Do they want answers from you quickly from your collection of data, and each one of them wants to see something different from those numbers? Well, then pivot table reports are just the thing for you. If you've been using Excel regularly for at least 1 year, well then jump right in and learn how to use pivot tables and take your data analysis and reporting skills to the next level. We will not get into the history of pivot tables. Instead, we just start learning right away. No fluff here, just skills. Ready, set, go. And remember, don't get mad, get skills.